everyone. Welcome back to our new English session. Children, do you remember what did I teach you in my previous class? Yes, children, I have completed the lesson The Dolphin and the Shark. The Dolphin and the Shark. How was the lesson, children? Did you enjoy? Very good. I know you love stories based on animals. So, today let us quickly do the exercises based on the lesson. Shall I start? Yes. Here you have to choose the correct answer. This is the first exercise. I will give you some options. You have to choose the correct one. Okay? Yes. The first question is, Simon and Dudley lived in the option A, ocean, B, river, C, pond. Simon and Dudley lived in the ocean, river, pond. Where did they live? Ocean. Yes, children. Correct. Next one. Simon was grumpy because, second one, Simon was grumpy because, option A, felt he was too big. Option B, had no brothers and sisters to play with. Option C, was not a dolphin. Listen carefully. I repeat. Simon was grumpy because, option A, felt he was too big. Option B, had no brothers and sisters to play with. Option C, was not a dolphin. Which one is correct option? Yes, children. Option B, had no brothers and sisters to play with. Yes. Third one, children. Simon and Dudley saw, option A, an ape, a frog and a raccoon. Option B, an alligator, a fox and a raccoon. Option C, an alligator, a fox and a raccoon. Which one is correct? I read once again. Third question. Simon and Dudley saw an ape, a frog and a raccoon, an alligator, a fox and a raccoon, an alligator, a frog and a raccoon. Yes, children, you are right. Option C is correct answer. Simon and Dudley saw an alligator, a frog and a raccoon. Now fourth question for you. The frog was playing a. In the lesson, what was the frog playing? Option A, guitar, B, banjo, C, fiddle. Frog was playing a guitar, banjo, fiddle. Banjo. Yes, option B is correct. Now, fifth question for you children. The raccoon was playing a. Option A, guitar, B, banjo, C, fiddle. The raccoon was playing a guitar. Raccoon was playing a guitar. Yes. Sixth question, children. Simon applauded with his. Simon the sharp applauded with his. Option A, fins. B, flippers. C, tail. Which one is correct? Tell me, children. Simon applauded with a. Simon the sharp applauded with fins. Simon the sharp applauded with fins. Yes, children. So this is the exercise. Well done, children. You have done so well. You remember the lesson and answered very well. Yes. Now, let us talk about. Yes, children, this is all about the exercise. Now, I would like to say about pronunciation. About pronunciation. Let us see the words on the board, children. New, K-N-E-W, new, W-H-I-S-T-L-E, whistle, C-O-M-B, comb. K-N-E-W, new, W-H-I-S-T-L-E, whistle, C-O-M-B, comb. What have you observed, children? Have you observed anything? Okay. Now, carefully listen the pronunciation. How am I pronouncing these words? Knee, new, K-N-E-W, new, whistle, comb. New, whistle, comb. Have you observed anything? Let me tell you, children. Here in the first word K-N-E-W, new, I have underlined K. In the second word W-H-I-S-T-L-E, whistle, I have underlined the T. C-O-M-B, comb. B is underlined. Why these letters are underlined? Why these letters are underlined? Children, when we pronounce these words, the underlined letters are silent. Underlined letters are silent. It means when we pronounce or say these words, the underlined words, we are not pronouncing the sound. We are not hear the sound of the particular word. K-N-E-W, new. Here K is silent because we are not pronouncing K sound. Letter K sound. It's not new. It's not new. New means here K is silent. W-H-I-S-T-L-E, whistle. Whistle. Again, if you observe word whistle, T is silent. We are not pronouncing the sound T. T, letter T. Yes. C-O-M-B, comb. It's not a comb, children. It's not a comb. B is silent. C-O-M-B, comb. C-O-M-B, comb. Here the letter B is silent. It means we are not pronouncing the sounds of the underline letters. These letters are called silent letters. In this word, K is silent, T is silent, whereas B is silent. New, whistle, comb. Let us quickly do a exercise based on silent letters. I just read the words one by one. You should tell me which letter should be underlined. Which letter is silent? Okay? Yes. The first word is B-A-D-G-E, badge. B-A-D-G-E, badge. Which letter is silent? B-A-D-G-E, badge. Badge. It's not a badge. It's not a badge. 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 Yes. Very good. D is silent. D is silent. Badge. What we should say? It's badge. So D is silent. Second word here it is A-U-T-U-M-N. Autumn. A-U-T-U-M-N. Autumn. What is silent in the autumn? Very good. A-U-T-U-M-N. Autumn. N is silent. The letter N is silent. We are not pronouncing the letter N sound. Numb. N-U-M-B. Numb. N-U-M-B. Numb. It's numb, children, not numb. It's numb. N-U-M-B. Numb. What is silent in this word? B. Underline the B. Next, coming to the fourth word. H-A-N-D-S-O-M-E. Handsome. H-A-N-D-S-O-M-E. It's not a hand, some. It is a single word. Handsome is a single word. We should read together. Handsome. H-A-N-D-S-O-M-E. Handsome. It's handsome. What is silent here? Excellent, children. D. D is silent. D is silent. We should not pronounce D sound. Okay? Handsome. It's handsome. Handsome. Fifth one. K-N-O-C-K. Knock. K-N-O-C-K. Knock. What is silent here? K, obviously. K is silent. K is silent. K-N-O-C-K. Knock. K is here. We are not pronouncing the sound K. Yes. Next. D-E-S-I-G-N. D-E-S-I-G-N. Design. What is silent? Quickly tell me, children. D-E-S-I-G-N. Design. G. The word G is, the letter G is silent. The letter G is silent, children. Yes. K-N-O-T. Not. Seventh one is K-N-O-T. Not. What is silent? Which letter is silent? K. K is silent. P-L-U-M-B-E-R. Plumber. P-L-U-M-B-E-R. Plumber. What is is silent, children? Plumber. B is silent. Obviously, B is, we should not pronounce it as plumber. It's not a plumber, children. It's a plumber. It's a plumber. It's a plumber. Okay? Yes. Badge, autumn, num, handsome, knock, design, knot and plumber. Okay? Yes. Hope you enjoy the session, children. Today we have done exercise based on the lesson. Yes. And we have done some exercise about pronunciation. Pronunciation, that is silent letters. Silent letters. Okay, children. I would like to give you a task. Prepare, list out some words in which some letters are silent. List out some words where some letters are silent. Okay, children. Thank you.